Yeah, he's got it. See? Ooh, get that one. How long should... You gotta tell me when to set the hook. I'm terrible. Might not be a very big one. I don't think mine's that big.
Alright, set it down.
Alright, here it goes. Got him. Yep. Well, he's not that little either. Gar on. Oh, it's a big one, dude. Dude, it's a big one.
Oh, it's him.
It's him. It's the big one. Get him, get him, get him. Yeah! Oh my gosh. Look at that gar. Look at that gar. That's the biggest gar I've ever caught. You breathe air. Awesome. That's the biggest gar I've ever caught, I think.
Okay.
Get the release. Oh, there he goes. Little treble hook and some cut shad. It's the easiest way to catch them, guys. Just let them eat it for a long time. See, I let that one eat for like, I don't know, maybe like almost 2 minutes, and I still barely had him hooked. So I think it's a good one. I saw him. Oh no, no, I got one. That's another one. That's another one right there. They're stacked right there, dude. Second gar, he's eating it. And you see these, if you see him bite or you know you get a bite, you just want to follow him. You give him all the slack he wants. Because a lot of times, if you pull back on them a little bit, they'll feel you and they'll drop the bait. So you want to let them eat it for a long time. Sometimes even 5-10 minutes. Because their mouths are they're real long and they have to really chew on that bait to get it down. You'll feel them. You feel them crunching and chewing on it. And then all of a sudden the chewing will just stop and he'll just start running. That's when you know he's got it. Good tip. If you think he's got it, wait longer, because it's hard to hook these fish. I don't feel him chewing anymore. He's just kind of wait. Here he goes. Got him. Oh, dude, I think it's another good one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude. It's even bigger than the last one. I'll pull him up. Oh, dude, he's even bigger. Ah!
Got him.
Yep, he's even bigger. No, my gosh. That one got it good. I don't have any. I have scissors in my bag, but yeah. Beautiful. Alright, let's release him. Another big gar. Here he goes. It's 2 big ones, dude. Catch some fresh shad. Get your treble hook. The meaty part up here. Try to stick 2 of the trebles into the shad and pull it both through. pull them through. Like that. And get ready. Big ones eat it. Big gar. Oh yeah. Yeah, it is. Oh, there you go. Dude, that might be the biggest one. There you go. Oh yeah, that looks good. Let me get her loose. Biggest gar of the day. Let her go. Good job, buddy. Down to my backing. Got him. I get my backing in. It's a big one, dude. It is a big one. He's way out there. This might be the biggest one of the day, dude. He's pulling. This is a gar, it's huge. Oh, catfish. Yeah, it's a good one. It's a big channel, I think. No, it's a channel. Yeah, it is. Dang, dude, I thought it was a giant gar, dude. Ooh, it's a big channel. It's awesome. Woo! Fat. There we go. Nice. Gonna close out this video. This nice channel cat. What do you say he is? Like, he's fat, dude. I say more close to 8, dude. He's heavy. 7, 8, something like that. Releaser. Here you go.